You guys, setting this tripod up to be like the perfect angle. I should have got a longer tripod, to be honest with you. Just one second here. Oh. So, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so today, let me introduce myself first. Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm Lisa from the Yohos. Mark's busy working away. Usually he's with me on this endeavor, but not today. So, real facts here. We were away off and on this summer, and I mean, hold on. My lips are dry. I just found that just now, and I forgot to put it on. Just one second, please pause. Okay, I'll jump back again. Here we go. Here's my brain. So we were away with the kids a couple times. We went to the cottage. And at nighttime and around us in the summer, even though it's summer, it gets chilly. So I needed my warm clothes. So I was like digging, finding my warm clothes that I just kind of put to the back for the summer. Anyways, whatever. So long story short is summer is gone. Like, it happened fast. We then had such a great time. We went away to California as well. We were lucky enough to go with Mark's work. Well, he wasn't. I tagged along. You all know the story. And if you haven't, I'll link those videos because I wish I was back. That being said, I need to clean out my closet again because when we got back, it felt like summer was like 2 days. I was kind of like, you know, unpacking and stuff like that. And all of a sudden it hit fall, like, and it hard. Winter's coming fast. I don't need my tank tops anymore, and I don't need my shorts. I don't need any summer stuff. So I want to rotate all my stuff. I just had some ideas. So I was just putting all my little jewelry away, and I thought, you know what? Why not take you guys with me? I'm sure everybody is in the same situation. Your closet just gets crazy bones. And if it doesn't, then you're just not one of my people. And what do you do then? Like, do you just keep all your clothes out? Like, I need to know these things. Don't be judging my pants today. I'm wearing skeleton pants. Okay, I wore them on the weekend and they were really cozy. Did the laundry yesterday and I thought, I'm wearing those again. And I'm not a legging person, and I don't know. It's the only thing that I bought in California for myself was a pair of $7 leggings at Walmart. By the way, thank you for that. So knowing then what I know now, I'm buying more of these leggings, but that wasn't my point. So anyways, I need to get all of my winter stuff, or at least I'm just gonna say all of my cozy clothes because it's cold. So we need sweaters, we need stuff, but we don't need tank tops and bathing suits and all that kind of stuff. And I'm really glad I found my hip cap. See inside the closet. Weird. Okay. This closet here, I've started emptying it, and then I wasn't going to film it because I just filmed a little while ago doing this, and I thought, no, this is real life. We need to see this. Like, what is this? I'm just throwing things back in here because I knew, you know what, I need to clean this out and I have no room, and these were rammed full. So I've started organizing. This is a lot of my cozy clothes, like my really thick pajamas and stuff, which is great down there. But now I want to get some more bins. So this is plastic. I use this from Comforters, and I know I'm sure everybody else does too. Comforters or duvets that you buy. So these are all like all my bathing suits and stuff. So that's fine. That's contained. There's a zipper on it. It still works, shockingly. So that I'm keeping because, you know what? Why buy something when that's free? This here, I would love to find a couple of baskets back, but I want something a little sturdier and a little bit bigger because these clothes are really bulky, and then my summer clothes aren't as bulky, but they will fit in both bins. So I hope that makes sense. Oh, and a clothes steamer that I brought with me thinking I would be very fancy in California, and I never used it. And like, look at that valuable real estate it took up. Oh, we need to get back in the swing of packing too. Huh. Going on any trip, I never use half the stuff I bring, and I can't even see that. Oh my God, hold on, amateur. Okay, so these little things, cute as anything. I kept them in here so they didn't get squashed in my little makeup baggy thing that I brought them in. Actually, Mark thought this was hilarious. This is I don't know if it's a boob thing or it was a shoulder pad, and women know what I'm talking about. But I never used them, so I hooked all my earrings on the inside and then folded it and kept it so it didn't get squashed. You're very welcome for that tip. So then I put this in a little makeup bag, but I am getting very sidetracked. So these are just acrylic storage bins, and I'm pretty sure that I maybe got them for the girls and they didn't want them anymore, or they changed their mind. Girls do that. We all know this. So I thought, oh, I'll take it. Having two girls and they're like 20 and 23, it's like having two friends in the house that we all use the same kind of stuff for $1. I have another backing downstairs I'll get later. That's another thing. I just got a whole bunch of little backings and little hooks and stuff that I think I might start making some more clay earrings. I was on Etsy the other day and I'm like, you know what? I can make half of these and it's fun and it's good for my hands. I find my hands get really sore this time of year. But this just kind of good for the soul. I don't know, that's a good craft in my book. So I should one day do that, but I really didn't come here to do this. I came here to actually change my clothes around and I am so getting sidetracked, as we do. But I know that the nightstand, again, we all do it, has so much crap on it that I'm getting annoyed. So I'm gonna finish up here. But now that I've showed you this, you get it. Oh, and here's another little trick. So this little thing, it was just from the dollar store, is like a lifesaver to put all of your little earrings on every day at the end of the day. The cutest. And then you know exactly where they all are. And then you go and you put them away in their real homes. Anyways, I'm gonna continue here and you can watch. Maybe get some motivation. You're thinking about your closet now, aren't you? I know I do that. And I'm kicking it old school here with these corded earbuds. But mine are dead and I need to charge them. Anyways, I gotta find my darn phone too. What the heck is going on with my life? Okay, how funny is this? I just came across this. Any of my hairdresser friends know? I think I got it from the big showdown in Toronto a long time ago. Let's just go there. Can I just say, the craft hoarder in me needs to keep this little bubble wrap bag. For what? I don't know, but you know what? No, I'm letting this go. And I'm also letting maybe this go. It's like a Ziploc bag, but it's for clothes. I don't know if I can let it go. Well, then I might as well just keep this too, because like really, I'll just put it up in my closet. You know, very hard. And you guys know, if you know, you know, it's very hard to get rid of this stuff. I'll just put that at the top of this closet here because I know it's not a problem. Actually, you know what? Oh, well now I can put all these feminine hygiene products in this bag o' mine here. Wow. Glad I didn't throw that out. Yeah, I know how to use them, so I don't need the instructions, but pads that I was telling you about that come in bathing suits and stuff, that is what I put my earrings in. But I will throw these out because I'm done with those. But then you think, like, could you not use this as like a little fascinator? Oh my god, now I have to keep them. Ah! Is anybody else like this? Like a Hoarder McGee is what it is. Craft Hoardy McGee. That's what I am, and I know that a lot of my friends are like this. How do you break that habit? I need to know. I just need to know. Like, there's so many things I could craft with that I just thought of it when I was ready to part with it. Hang on, I will fill up my newfound Ziploc bag and put that up in the cupboard. So when, like, it takes up less space, right? As long as I don't squirrel it in the hole and forget about it, then that's perfectly fine. But what's our call on these? I've never really researched them. How much alcohol is in them? Do you think they're effective? I'm not sure, but they smell really nice and they had some really cute little holders for them in the States, so I had to buy them. I haven't been to Bath & Body Works in forever. And it was in the mall that we went to, and that was really the only thing in the mall, so I'm like, all right. I know, it was a crappy mall, but whatever. So, I'm digressing and I don't really care because I have to tell my story. So we went to the mall, I was all excited. Just went to the In-N-Out Burger, thinking, oh yes, some shopping, this is awesome. The only thing in the whole mall that was anywhere near worth going in was Bath & Body Works. That was it. So I thought, you know what? I'm spending it here. This is where it's going down, because I had a little bit of money that I was saving and I thought, you know, I'm gonna treat myself. Annoyed, and let me just tell you, I could have remortgaged my house with all the fun things at the Walmart there. That's all I have to say. Like, we've got Walmarts here. We all know that. One of the Uber drivers, she had no idea we had Walmart in Canada. As we all know, they just have different stuff, and I'm sure maybe we have different stuff. I don't know, but I always find the Walmarts in the States better. There, I said it. You guys feel me? I know some of you do. You know what? I need to put my hair back too. That's another thing that's driving me crazy. See that technique? Down pat. I still love these. You know what? I'm bringing them this weekend. Thanks for that recommendation, Natalie. Thank you very much, because I appreciated that. Like, this is a lot of clothes for someone. Like, I don't even do clothes. Like, it's not my thing. I just like something cozy. If I found a good pair of jeans, I wore those till like they died. And we all know how long it takes for jeans to die. A long time. I'm gonna make a summer pile. Get rid of them. If they're not comfortable, chuck them. I have to remember these things, and I don't. Oh, I brought up a treat. I forgot about this. Because that's gonna bring me right into the Thanksgiving weekend, like Twizzlers do. I had full intentions of having a nice long drawn out fall. Not these days. I started taking my vitamins again. What a difference it makes. Like, huge difference. I've had so much energy back again. I'm taking advantage of it. But yeah, take your vitamins. It helps. And so do Twizzlers. And I'm never not gonna put things back on the hook inside out. So I've dealt with that. And you should too. Debatable. Size are they? Yes, okay, I can keep those. Do you want to know a huge bonus? We're going away this weekend. This is a Thanksgiving weekend coming up, so you guys won't be seeing this until we're back. And we're going up to the cottage. Pretty excited. Back at it again. I'm almost done. Like I feel like I'm in the home stretch, and I'm packing as I'm going. So huge bonus. So that's it. I am exhausted. I know that doesn't look like a lot, but it's a lot of folding. And I already got groceries this morning and went to the dentist, and I still have to clear off my bed. But I'm taking this as a win. There's still the other side, but it's mostly just organizing. So I might work on that tomorrow morning. But right now I'm done. Okay, battery's almost dead, but I found these more bags. So cupboard number 2. This one's not too bad. And to be honest with you, yesterday was a lot. I'm just gonna organize this and you can just watch real quick. I just really need to put it into blouses, sweaters, cardigans, if you will. Yeah, that's it. And my hair's a little different today because I'm going out for dinner tonight. So, gotta hurry. Gotta hurry, hurry, hurry. I really don't need 2 robes. Some people don't need 1,000 pairs of shoes. I think I'm gonna roll it, be a little bougie. Well, isn't that fancy? That's not too shabby, right? Not too shabby at all. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope this inspired you to get some stuff done for yourself again. And it feels like I'm like a broken record. Like I've done this before 5 months ago, but you guys liked it, so I figured why not put that out there and share the motivational push, maybe? Anyways, regardless, happy fall, everybody. See you in the next video. Hey, while you're here, while I have your attention, hit that subscribe button. Do you see that little thing right there at the bottom of the screen? Just click on that. If you haven't subscribed already, do it, because we do all kinds of fun stuff on this channel. And if you've been here before, thanks so much for coming back. I already know what I'm getting for dinner too. I'm pretty excited. Goodbye. Okay. Oh, we good. Ew, I don't like that spacing, not one bit. Done. Wait, does anybody else call it lip chap? I know it's chapstick, but why do I call it lip chap? Anyways. If you guys enjoyed this video, here's a couple more for you to watch.